If I'm being honest, I love a great jacket just as much as I love a great sneaker.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ, and it's fall, which marks the start of amazing things. One, my birthday month is approaching, November, or it might actually be here. Might be here when you guys are viewing this. I'm having to film ahead of time because I'm out of town for an amazing opportunity with New Balance and an ESPN project. However, fall is great. It's the start of the NBA season, but you guys know, repping the WNBA year round. So got my Aces on, but tons of Warrior stuff. I literally had to make a separate shelf for all of the Warriors t-shirts that I own. I had to rearrange some things in the closet. I've shown that in a previous video. But fall also means layers, and jackets are essential. Yes, they are. And I mean a variety of jackets, whether they're more form-fitting, are they bombers, are they longer style blazers, are they wool coats, are they outer coats? Now, I won't actually touch on like coats. I'll do the best of my ability to just leave out coats, because that's really based on where you may live. You may never actually hit temps low enough where you need a coat. But in terms of layers and jackets, I love a great jacket. I want to go over some of my favorite fall jackets to layer for the season. Also, to keep things neutral, because I'm switching between a lot of different jackets, you see myself in a white tank, distressed denim, and some checkered Vans, again, just to keep things neutral. Let's start on the left. You've seen this blazer so much. It's technically not a coat, it's just a longer line length blazer from H&M. It was an eBay find, so shout out to eBay for this amazing find. Yes, it is from the women's section. For the next two you see, I think denim jackets and leather jackets are staples for the fall. I'm actually wearing the Richie Lee Collection denim jacket in a size medium. It's one of my favorites, and then the Guess leather jacket is another eBay find. I have many variations for all three because I think they're great staples. A statement jacket on the left because yes, it's a USA Olympic team jacket. This is another eBay find, and this jacket is always a standout no matter when I wear this. In the middle, a Nike Tech M65 jacket, of course, military inspired. You guys can probably find one yourself on eBay, but I love the oversized fit. It's a men's medium. A nice take on a varsity jacket. This is the Wool Varsity by Richie Lee as part of their fall 2022 drop. And for their own trio of looks, bomber jackets. In the middle, we're throwing it back. I'm talking way back. This is a Fat Farm jacket. Some of you are too young to even know what brand that is. But this is a Fat Farm jacket. Shout out to Visiting Home because you usually find some great treasures there. So that's actually where I picked this one up. Shout out to Mom. But I love the oversized fit to just pair with so many different looks. And then the final bomber jacket on the right. This is the Jordan Flight jacket. It's an oversized fit, so I'm wearing a size medium. Shout out to the Jordan women's apparel team for sending this over. It has its own video with other items sent over by the brand, so be sure to check that out. I may or may not have a jacket problem. I've yet to address that, and I'm going to continue to bypass it as well. Comment, what's your favorite go-to jacket in the fall? Is it denim? Is it a satin style bomber jacket? Is it wool? Is it a varsity coat? Is it a blazer? Or is it something else? Is it a windrunner? That's always fun. It's something very casual and laid back, and I enjoy those as well. As you guys know, I picked up the Fear of God Essentials with the black and 3M colorway, and I love it. So please be sure to comment below. Thank you for tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.